Orfe Online is a virtual platform where talented artists and professionals in different disciplines around the world teach children how to create artworks, toys, and projects by reusing materials and having good ecological practices. In our virtual classes, children learn in small groups while enriching their experiences by interacting with other children from different cultures around the world. Following eco-guidelines, we connect the projects with topics related to science, engineering, art, mathematics, and technology. Also, with the asynchronous courses, children take the courses at their own pace and at a convenient time. If you represent a school, let us know your needs. Together, we can make a plan. Accessing the courses is very easy. First, create your user profile. From the homepage, you can select one that you like. Click on the course and sign up. Through this platform, teachers, parents, children, and school communities join forces to create an environmentally conscious culture for the benefit of all.